On the edge of the sea, where the waves kissed the shore, stood a tall, striped lighthouse. And in that lighthouse lived a small cat with a big heart named Finn. Finn wasn't just any cat. He was the lighthouse keeper's best friend and the bravest cat you'd ever meet. Every evening, he'd climb the winding stairs with the keeper to light the great lamp, its beam a guiding star for ships at sea. Finn loved watching the light dance across the dark water, feeling proud to be part of something so important. One night, the sky turned a dark, angry gray. The wind howled like a wolf, and rain lashed against the lighthouse windows. A mighty storm had rolled in from the sea. The keeper looked worried. "It's a rough one tonight, Finn," he said, his voice low. From their high window, they saw a tiny light bobbing frantically in the churning waves. A fishing boat was caught in the storm, lost in the furious sea. The waves were so huge, they sometimes hid the lighthouse beam. Finn knew he had to do something. He remembered an old, powerful lantern stored in the lighthouse basement. With a determined meow, he tugged at the keeper's trousers and led him down the stairs. The keeper understood. Together, they carried the heavy lantern to a lower window, one that was closer to the sea. Finn stood beside it, his little body brave against the storm's roar. The extra light cut through the rain and fog, a steady beacon for the lost boat. Slowly, carefully, the fishing boat turned and followed the new light, navigating the dangerous rocks until it reached the safety of the harbor. The storm passed, and the morning sun painted the sky in soft pinks and oranges. The fishermen from the boat came to the lighthouse to say thank you. They didn't just thank the keeper. They gave Finn a big, gentle pat and a shiny fish. Finn wasn't just a lighthouse cat. He was a hero. His courage and quick thinking had shown that no matter how small you are, a kind heart and a brave spirit can make a big difference. Thank you for watching our story. If you liked Finn's adventure, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more stories. See you next time!